QUBT stock analysis and price predictions for Monday, 11th of August. Is it a buy or not? Watch this brief and short 1-minute video till the end to find out. Yes, I'm just briefly overlooking quantum computing. It's a solid bullish market for me. I mean, all these links you see here in the chart is just me previously buying it. You know what I mean? Like, let me show it to you. Like, at the time, this was sitting at $7.38 3 months ago. And it began here, and then it started just pumping. Time and time again, bro. From 7, it went to like freaking 22. That's a 3x. And the only thing that I'm hoping I see going into this next week, Monday, is a second break above 17.16. And then only then I'm going to look to take it further up. 17.17, right? Let's put it this way. If it doesn't happen, I'm not moving forward. Now, what happens if it just goes down? That's why I will keep you updated. So if you do want to stay tuned with QUBT, there's a lot of receipts in the Discord. But regarding that, if you want to stay tuned and get free sauce, free stock picks, click the first link in the description. It's free. Goodbye and enjoy. It's free.